Hi everyone, my name is Arlene. I go by My Curly Diaries on Instagram and on my YouTube channel, My Curly Diaries. So today I just completed my wash day. I just deconditioned, I washed my hair with the Shea Moisture Restore Conditioner. I use these two for my shampoo and conditioner. Also use the deep conditioning mask for Shea Moisture, which is the Strengthen and Restore treatment mask. This I use as my deep conditioner. Along with my deep conditioner, I also use the Amla Oil. After I applied the deep conditioner, and I applied a little bit of oil in my hair, let it sit for like half an hour, then went off and washed it off. So today I'm going to do a wash and go, and I'm only going to use one product, which is the Devacurl Supercream. That's it. That's all I'm going to use for my wash and go today, and then I'm going to air dry it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to record when I'm applying it, and let's see how this turns. It's my first wash and go with this product. I don't normally do wash and goes, but here it is. applied the one product, just the Devacurl Supercream, and that's it. So I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna touch it at all. It's just gonna stand there and sit there and air dry completely, and then I'll be back with the final results. Bye.